Okay, this is Centro Commercial Teatro Capital. So we're gonna go check it out and see what's inside. And just a little reference, this is kind of this, it's all this Portuguese tile all the way down. So this one goes down to Portuguese bookstore, Sonata Square, and things like that. And then this one goes down to Portuguese embassy. But anyways, we're gonna focus on this particular building right here. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's go check out and see what's inside. So somebody was telling me that this used to be like different incarnations. So there was once just a regular cinema, and then later became kind of a I just want to show you a little bit of what's down here. So Portuguese bookstores down that way, some kind of cool architecture. Also, I just want to show you this other street too before we go in. But it's also known as like, what do you call that? X-rated films. And then right here is right there, Travesados, Street of the Angels. So this is right here. So we're actually gonna focus on the inside of this one, this red and white one. So okay. And if you can see, there's a kebab shop. We're gonna be going inside, and you're gonna see it from another angle in a minute. So let's go check it out and see. Teatro Capital since 1931. So let's go check it out and see what's in here. Lots of different shops. They're climbing. Okay. Another alley on the other side too. There's Arabian kebab. And let's just go on up and we'll see. So this is kind of a cool building. I thought for sure she was gonna say turn off the camera. It's pretty cool. I think that place looks really cool. Let's see what else there is. Okay. Infinity. Some kind of boutique. Trading cards. Funny boxes. Liz's house. And then this one looks like model cars. Kind of cool. Look at that. 1844 Macau. And this is our street. So okay. So yeah, looks like they have a lot of kind of cool little specialty shops. So models. This one is sports cards. So let's just keep on going up, see what else we can see. Or at least you're getting a feel for it. That's kind of like little boutique and collector shops. This street, this one looks like that most of these are closed. Yeah, they are. Boutiques, Q station. Huh. We'll just go up one more, and then we'll end it. Huh. 1844 Macau. Coffee shop. Fiona Kim studio. And this looks kind of cool because there's like a, I think this is a, huh. can't go up, but you can see where the cinema used to be. So I guess this would be the cinema house right there. All right, so I guess we'll end it right here, and I guess we'll end it right here. So we'll just come back down. Then this will be the end of our video.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.